What is centralized cataloging? Cataloging done at the central location for multiple libraries. Which of the following is a key benefit of centralized cataloging? That is standardization of bibliographic record. Cooperative cataloging involves multiple libraries sharing cataloging responsibility. Which of the following is an example of centralized cataloging system? That is Library of Congress cataloging in publication. The aim of cooperative cataloging is to share bibliographic records among the libraries. Which international organization supports cooperative cataloging? That is OCLC. OCLC stands for the Online Computer Library Center. Which of the following best describes a bibliographic utility, a shared cataloging database? The main goal of centralized cataloging is saving time and cost through shared resources. Which of the following is not an advantage of cooperative cataloging? That is redundancy in the effort. Library of Congress plays a leading role in national cooperative cataloging. What does shared cataloging imply? Libraries jointly prepare and use bibliographic records. A major tool for cooperative cataloging in the US is OCLC WorldCat. The cataloging in publication data is prepared by the national libraries. This system facilitates cooperative cataloging among the Indian libraries, that is DALNet. One limitation of centralized cataloging is lack of customization for local needs. In cooperative cataloging, responsibility is shared for the bibliographic description. Which of the following is not a bibliographic utility? That is UDC. The Union Catalog is closely linked with the centralized cataloging. Which cataloging standard supports shared cataloging records? That is MARC. Which Indian initiative promotes resource sharing and cooperative cataloging? That is Implement. Which is the biggest bibliographic utility in the world? OCLC. What is a union catalog? Combined catalog of multiple libraries. Which of the following helps in avoiding duplication of the work in the library? That is cooperative cataloging. OCLC's WorldCat is an example of the global union catalog. What is the role of metadata in centralized cataloging? That is to describe documents consistency across the platforms. What is major challenge in cooperative cataloging? Authority control and consistency. Who benefit the most from cooperative cataloging? Librarians and institutions. Which cataloging format is most used in the cooperative cataloging? That is Mark 21. One key function of a centralized cataloging agency is to prepare and disseminate standard cataloging entries.